Welcome to Injective Ecosystem News Roundup. Here are the top stories Injective in the first half of August. Injective record burn auction, $200 million daily volume, Altaris Mainnet integration with Ton, and more. Injective Altaris is live on Mainnet, bringing the most powerful chain upgrade to date. The upgrade represents a significant leap forward for the Injective ecosystem, introducing several advanced features designed to enhance the experience for traders, stakers, developers, and end users alike. Injective conducts a record $344,478 burn auction. Injective recently conducted one of its most significant burn auctions to date, burning $344,478 worth of INJ in a single week. This event showcased the effectiveness of the Injective burn auction mechanism, a community-driven initiative designed to systematically decrease the total supply of INJ over time. By reducing the circulating supply of INJ, the burn auction not only supports the deflationary nature of the token, but also increases scarcity, potentially driving up value as demand within the ecosystem grows. Injective hit $200 million in daily trading volume. Injective has processed over $200 million in trading volume across its native decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, within a single day, marking one of the most active periods in the platform's history. In conjunction with this surge in trading volume, INJ, Injective's native token, has also experienced positive momentum. Injective integrated with the Ton ecosystem, a historic moment for both communities. Now Injective assets such as INJ can be bridged and utilized across Ton, while Ton is also leveraged across Injective dApps. Major trading platforms report outage. Helix remains unaffected. In a surprising turn of events, several major trading platforms, including Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, Vanguard, E-Trade, and Fidelity, have reportedly gone down, leaving millions of traders and investors in the lurch. The outage first reported at 7 hours 20 minutes p.m. on August 5, 2024, and users were unable to access their accounts and execute trades for a while. This sparked widespread frustration and concern and highlighted the need for decentralization. However, amid the turmoil, Helix, the top decentralized exchange built on the Injective blockchain, remained fully operational. Injective integrated with Elliptic to enhance DeFi security and compliance. Elliptic, a global leader in crypto asset risk management, has announced integration of Injective, a cutting-edge Layer 1 blockchain designed specifically for decentralized finance, or DeFi, into its comprehensive screening and investigation products. The blockchain's architecture, optimized for finance, allows for the efficient and secure deployment of sophisticated applications, including spot trading, derivatives, lending, real-world assets, or RWAs, and gas-free transactions. Injective is coming to the Korean Blockchain Week 2024, or KBW 2024 in Seoul. The event is scheduled for September 3rd from 18th to 21 hours. Here you can see the exact location for the event in Seoul at 29 Pub. And that is all for today's Injective Ecosystem Biolink review. So if you enjoyed Ninjas, remember to hit that like button, subscribe button, and bell icon too. We are in the top 3 Injective relayers in the last month by total number of TXS and the top 10 by best uptime and performance as well. Ninjas, consider supporting our Injective infrastructure and educational content with a delegation to our Injective validator. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you ninjas very soon in the next episode.